Welcome to the world of EFTALIA hotels. Enjoy your holiday on the Turkish Riviera in the beautiful region of Alanya. Our hotels will make your holiday unforgettable for you and your family. Relax and rest, water sports, culinary delights, Wi-Fi, spa center in every hotel and much more for you. We have everything to satisfy your dreams come true. EFTALIA Tour was our first hotel in Alanya, and it is the only EFTALIA hotel which offers half-boat concept. It was totally restored in 2012. You will enjoy your holiday in friendly atmosphere directly in the center of Alanya with many shopping areas and entertainment hotspots. EFTALIA Village is the best choice for you if you want a family holiday. Our bungalows are surrounded by beautiful plants and flowers and give you amazing feeling of peace and leisure. The hotel also has entertainment programs and aqua park. EFTALIA Splash was opened in 2013. There you can have a rest near the big aqua park with a variety of entertainment programs for all your family and for all ages. There you can enjoy culinary delights and get only pleasant impressions from your holiday. EFTALIA Aqua was opened in 2011. It has a big territory and consists of a main building and beautiful bungalows. The hotel offers many attractions, such as entertainment programs, places for relaxation and rest. There are a lot of things for a pleasant holiday for all guests of all ages. EFTALIA Marine was opened in 2014 and has a relaxing atmosphere for perfect holiday. The hotel decorated in sea style. In the restaurant, bars and cafes, you can enjoy culinary delights. Fashionable rooms are decorated with high-class standards and swim-up rooms have a terrace with the pool access. The holiday in EFTALIA Marine will bring you joy and peace and make your holiday unforgettable. EFTALIA Ocean is our new hotel. It was opened in June 2017. EFTALIA Ocean is the biggest hotel in EFTALIA Group. It has 682 large rooms which are decorated in a Mediterranean style, and swim-up rooms have terrace with pool access and a wonderful view. For guests who like outdoor activities, we can offer water slides and children aqua park. EFTALIA Ocean will cordially welcome guests and give them comfortable and joyful holidays. Turkler village nearby EFTALIA hotels. There is our beach area. There you can get through underground passage. And this is not just a simple beach area, but the biggest and exclusive in the region. And you can't find more suitable and comfortable beach in Turkey. Its length is 1,500 meters and the territory is 65,000 square meters. There all your needs will be satisfied. EFTALIA Island is divided into 3 main zones: for adults, for children, and of the entertainment zone. Everything is just for comfortable rest of our guests. There are a lot of animation programs and shows, amphitheater, disco, delicious drink in one of the 13 bars, tasty coffee in patisserie, snacks during the day, or romantic dinner in the evening. We have everything for your unforgettable holiday. If you wish to get special impressions, we can offer you exclusive gazebo with VIP service. It doesn't matter which EFTALIA hotel you will choose. We will be happy to welcome you in every hotel of EFTALIA Group. EFTALIA Hotels. Become a part of our family.